How to install the exhaust vent for the generator. This is my lovely assistant, Molly. She will be recording. This is the back compartment on the driver's side is where the vent is kept. It consists of multiple parts. The first part that has to come out is this black piece of metal. Take that, place it over the generator exhaust pipe. Obviously, you're going to do this without the generator running. And then the next piece is to come out are these three plastic pieces that are all currently bungeed together. And the first part to go on is the one with the piece of metal on the end of it, shaped like a J. This is this piece. What you do, slide this onto here, align the two holes, bring it up, and then you hook the black hook right there, over here. And then you put this pin into these two holes right here, and they will line up. And you may have to wiggle it back and forth to get the holes to line up. And the final part is putting the two stacked pieces on. This is the middle piece. This one that doesn't have a sleeve like this one does is the top piece. The top piece on, lift it up, put it on. I'm going to go back and use the bungee cord that held all this together. Works better if you do this before you level the RV, because you actually got to hook up to this post right here, which I could climb on the ladder to do, but I'd probably die. And you're done. When you take this off, turn the generator off, let this cool for at least 15 minutes before you touch it. The plastic will only be slightly hot, and that'll be from whatever the sun has done, but these two pieces of metal will be very hot. You want to wear gloves and use maybe a couple paper towels. And taking it apart is just as easy as putting it up. Undo the bungee cord, undo the pin, take off the top two pieces. Drop the pin on the ground randomly. Look for it for 3 hours, and put it back where it goes so you don't have to look for it for 3 hours. And then grab the metal piece. And then put it all back in the compartment it came in. This time I'm only going to bungee the two big plastic pieces here together. Because I'm lazy. And that's it. The hardest part is just not burning yourself. Have fun.